So this truck behind me is in autonomous mode. So even though it's 20 some below out here tonight, this engine block is going to stay at 25 degrees Celsius. Its air pressure will never drop below 100 PSI, and the battery voltage will remain within 23.5 volts. Whenever any of those drop below spec, the siren is going to start, and this truck will start autonomously. So there is no concern about this truck not being ready for service tonight or any other night as long as the ThermaStart is armed. So it's a great innovation, really simple installation, very safe, inherently safe. In fact, having the ThermaStart system as part of your vehicle fleet increases safety, does not expose other risks. So we would love to talk to you more about it and see what the ThermaStart could do for your fleet. Ross from Roscoe Mining. Stay warm, everyone.